Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to cast your phone to your Fire Stick. So if you want to display photos, videos, or your phone screen on your TV, then just follow along. First, make sure both your phone and Fire Sticks are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And on your Fire Stick, press and hold the home button on the remote. Then select mirroring if your device supports it. Now pick up your phone, and if you're using Android, open your phone's Screencast, Smart View, Wireless Display, or Screen Mirroring feature depending on your device. From there, select your Fire Stick from the available devices and wait for the connection. And if you're using an iPhone, you'll first need an AirPlay compatible receiver app installed on your Fire Stick. And once that's set up, open Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring, and choose your Fire Stick. After a few seconds, your phone's display should appear on your TV, and when you're finished, simply disconnect from your phone's screen mirroring menu or exit mirroring mode on your Fire Stick. So that was how to cast your phone to your Fire Stick. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.